Everyone, welcome back to 5 Day Crypto. My name is Chase. Today we're going to look at VeChain, aka VET, aka Not Your Dog's Vet, aka one of the best performing coins since the pandemic drop. How good of a performer? I'm glad you asked. Let's take a look. Measured move from the pandemic drop to the tippy top, almost 18,000%. So one of the true racehorses in the crypto markets, tested, tried, and true. However, what do we have now? How is it looking now? I'm glad you asked. Let's zoom in on the 5 Day Gaussian channel and see what we got. Well, based on the 5 Day Gaussian channel, look how much it's holding support, how perfect of support it's holding on that median line. That is what you want to see. You don't want to be breaking this floor here. There's a reason this one is thicker. It's a little bit more serious, right? So we're holding that. We're going back up. The odds are we're going to test this top before doing anything else. That's about 13, almost 14 cents, just shy of 14 cents. By the time we get there, maybe it will be right around there. So over the next handful of days, I would look for VeChain to maybe test that. And what we want to do is not get rejected, right? We want to break out of it like we did back here and then hold it. However, this time, I would reckon that VeChain might only bounce off of it, right? Get above it. Maybe we hold it for a few weeks. Maybe alt season kicks in a month or so. And then we can get off to the races back to our previous all-time high, about just over a quarter. And then boom again. Hopefully that is what is on the cards for VeChain. The charts are looking like a nice setup for that exact thing. So lows, higher lows, high, we want to make a higher high. Anything above, this closing candle, 14.3, right? So we went up a little bit, but this is our highest closing candle right here, 14.3. We make a high above that, and then our all-time high should be in the not-so-distant future after that. Let's look at another chart, VeChain on the weekly. This is on a linear scale. If you want to look at a log scale, that's what it looks like. So log scales are helpful to get more information in, right? All the candles are the same. So a 10% over here is a 10% over here. On a linear scale, it's not quite that way. So you can look at it however you want, but either way you look at it, zooming in here, this is the weekly scale. The 21-week EMA is what you want to hold for support to get more bullish. Look back at the last run-up. Look back at this run-up. You're well above the 21-week EMA. When you start messing around with it, it's tough to move anywhere. You got to get out of it, hold it as support. There's our final wick back in December of 2020. A lot of coins kind of final capitulated right a couple days before Christmas, if you remember, and then off to the races, a lot of them. So maybe we repeat something similar this year. You could see VeChain really got it going about mid-November, and I think that's about when most altcoins will really start moving again. All the altcoins today that are moving, they're simply getting dragged up with Bitcoin, okay? These are not the moves that we're talking about for alt season. Alt season is going to be a little bit down the road. Why? Bitcoin dominance is going up, right? You want to see Bitcoin dominance drop, and then you're going to get your alt season. So probably Bitcoin's time for the next handful of weeks, maybe even a month or 6 weeks or so. And then after that, you'll really start seeing altcoins, in my opinion, really start getting their act together and making these moves like today look like child's play. So what we want to look for, holding that 21-week, breaking all-time highs on a weekly scale, that is what we want to see. How about on the daily chart? You can zoom in even on the shorter time frames, right? You're still above the 21-day EMA. So that is also more of a bullish sign in the immediate term. So looking good across the chart for VeChain. I think VeChain will do quite well in this next leg up. 18,000%, not too bad. What do I think we could possibly hit for VeChain? I'm glad you asked. Let's take a look-see. So 18,000%, I don't know if we're going to do that good, but what about a 10x? Would you take a 10x? Not even from here. 10x from our all-time highs, that would get you to 250. I think you could be pretty happy with that, right? A 10x from all-time highs, right? That gets you way up here. And if we, just for visualization, right, 250, right around in here, let's draw a line up in here, 250. That, if you zoom out, that doesn't seem, well, let's not get carried away here. That doesn't seem that out of the ordinary. And I'm not saying we're going to do it by 2022, but let's say, this time next year over in this area, right? I think something in that circle is more than doable, right? We just mess around and then get it moving, and then just kind of repeat similar things, right? Maybe not as aggressive, but this is a simple 10x. This is a simple 1,000% versus your 18,000%. So I think certainly capable of that. I like VeChain going forward. So maybe you like it too. I'd assume that's why you're watching this video. Let's see, the crypto fear and greed index, we're at 82. We're still in extreme greed, so we could have temporary pullbacks along the way. You know, not surprising. Don't lose your faith. I think we're definitely kicking it off in a big way here in the not so distant future. But of course, there's going to be 10-20% pullbacks every now and again, crypto wide. So don't fear. The Ferrari is here. Car of the day. Nice transition there, huh? Car of the day, Ferrari 360 Modena. My dream car in high school. Yes, I'm this old. This is around in 2000. I graduated in 02. Thank you very much from high school. Yes, I'm that old. I know I don't look like it, but that's me in a nutshell. I have a 10-year-old kid. Okay, let's calm down. Let's see what else we got. Quote of the day. Neil deGrasse Tyson, one of my favorite humans on the planet. If you don't know him, go check him out. He has best of on YouTube. It's like 5-10 minutes to give you a little fly lesson on the big picture of our solar system. He's an astrophysicist, amazing thinker. Love it. So that's the guy. That's the guy for today. That's VeChain in a nutshell. We're trying to do a little bit shorter videos, so hopefully you like these. And we just did an Ethereum video. I was out on internet all day. I'm in a new neighborhood. They keep cutting the damn lines. I don't know what's going on. But today was long, man. I think I lost internet early this morning and just got it back. But it was like for miles around us. All the school, I have like 3 schools around us. They all lost power or internet, and I mean the whole neighborhood was out. So at least we're back up and running. Hopefully they didn't tie it together with silly string or something like that, and we're actually legit now, and we're good to go. So I'll see you on the next video. VeChain to the God chain. I don't know what that means. See you next one.